I'm going to show you how you can fix your account cannot be used in this location. Now, it depends on what kind of problem you have. If, for example, you live in the America and right now you're traveling to Ireland or Europe or Southeast Asia, then obviously you can't use your Netflix account because it will be geo-locked, right? But if that's not the case, then you might want to check your notification bar. See if you have a VPN connected. Now, you can see right now I do have a VPN connected, right? I have a VPN connected to the Netherlands, even though I live somewhere not in Netherlands, right? So obviously my Netflix is gonna block my account. If I make a subscription in the America and then I have my VPN set to Netherlands, it will obviously block me, right? So if that's the case, just disconnect from your VPN and then that should fix your problem. But if you're traveling abroad and you can't use your Netflix account, then the solution will be to wait for you to come back to your original home country. And if that doesn't work, then unfortunately you will have to invest something in a VPN to transport you back to your home country virtually, right? So even though you're in the Netherlands, if you turn your VPN on, it'll trick your network by saying, oh, this guy is actually in America, therefore he can watch Netflix.